Yes, this is a random talk video, and I'm on terrace, and I just thought of making a random talk video in English because the best way to learn English is to listen to random conversations. Because day to day life, when we talk English, we don't actually go for advanced English. We we just need random conversation and daily usable words. So today I thought of actually talking to you all in a very random manner, like I talk to my friends. So let's start. Nothing to start, just a random talk. And I'm on terrace. I'm just walking on the terrace and weather is pretty good. You can see the sunlight. This is 3 p.m. and so much rush in the city, and wind is blowing. Again, what do you all say? I can see a lot of clothes drying on the terrace, and you don't need extraordinary words when you're speaking in English. So that's the whole point of learning English, that you should know as a beginner, you should know manageable English. You should be able to manage conversations. And that is the first stage of learning English. And with last two uploads, I realized that I speak little fast and unclear in my videos. And so today I thought of speaking clearly in English. Oh, the sunlight is, what do you say, reduced? Or there is, I think, clouds covered the sun. And now it's pretty good weather, feeling awesome, awesome. And I love these type of conversations to have with you all because I feel my heart. I have put my heart out when I speak to you all in this way. And what else? I was just chilling and randomly I was walking on the terrace, and no one walks at 3 p.m. on terrace having so much sunlight. But I thought I was feeling so sleepy today, so I thought of walking on terrace, and then I just clicked that why not to make a video and just talk randomly so that I express my feelings and people learn new sentences, words. Isn't it a cool idea to talk like that? And this conversation will be a friendly conversation, like I talk to my friends. And what else? I can see a lot of greenery here, good plants. Let's keep like this. So there are very big trees and small plants as well. Obviously, plants are small. I can see some shops. Let me show you all. And there are very huge buildings, and almost the building I am on is a six-floor building. And I can see seven, eight, nine-floor buildings here. That is very, very new to me because I have never seen it in my village. But feeling of city kind of is different than village. You don't have people to share feelings with, but you have your subscribers to speak to. You have your people to speak to. And I'm lucky and blessed to speak to you all. And I am developing confidence to speak in front of camera. And I think everyone should speak to themselves in front of camera. There might be much noise when I'm speaking to you all, but while editing it out, I will remove the background noises. And what else? I can see people walking on the streets. The wind is superb. So refreshing air. Not refreshing, not much refreshing than village air, but okay, manageable. What? My hair is disturbing me a lot. Anyway, oh my god, small kids are playing cricket. I miss my childhood. And women are washing clothes. Women do their duty every day, no matter how how much it's raining, how much sun is brighter, they do their work. So as men and women, grown up, mature men and women, they are so strong. They work every day, and I get too inspired by them, especially my parents and actually everyone's parents. You should be inspired by your parents because they work a lot, day and night. So again, I can see a lot of shopping malls here, and I should make a plan to go for shopping. I kind of love shopping, but I don't buy much. I feel sometimes buying clothes is waste of money, but it gives you temporary satisfaction that is secondary. But shopping is cool anyway. Again, what else do I notice here? Oh, today is Sunday, so people are ordering food online, and I think they are mostly going for non-veg food. I can see a Swiggy delivery boy giving parcel to a girl. She is very happy with that parcel. Maybe she loved that food. There's no school today, so children seem to be playing cricket and different sports on streets because children love to play and I love them watching play. That's a good feeling, by the way. I love children personally. I love children in when they are because they are very pure form of human. They don't have that uh, they don't have that cruel thinking. They are so pure. And I connect a lot with children. Everyone have their choices. So this is a random talk. So I'm just spitting my desires online in random conversation. Oh, there's a metro going. Yeah, metro is a very big and very fantastic discovery, I must say. Not discovery, what do you call invention or discovery or Uh, I think whoever has got that idea of metro blessed with a sharp brain, I must say, because that helps a lot with charges, with safety. Metros are top notch, I must say. So, this is the random talk. What else? I think, please tell me in comments, should I make, should I upload videos on random talks? Because I think this would be more helpful rather than taking, just picking any topic and speaking. This will be more of a good idea, I feel, because you get to know how daily conversations are and how to put your points specifically, right? So I think I have yapped a lot for straight 11 minutes. So what should I do? Should I end this video? I think yes, I should. Wow, birds. I love seeing birds fly. I'm seeing it after a long time in a city. There are so many pigeons here. That is so cool. I'm loving it. I usually come at night after dinner to walk around, but this is the first time I'm coming at 3 p.m. and just watching all around. And today I noticed pigeons here. Lot of construction, guys. Cities have this problem. Not problem actually, they are developing, so you can't question them. Construction is part of developing cities, countries. So this is the random talk. I hope you liked it. Please comment down. What are your thoughts? So